Once upon a time, there was a dry desert village. Water was everything. In that village, that was where an elderly woman had her home by the oldest well. The well had been dug by her husband with bare hands. He did it many years ago. She was a single mother when he died. She filled the well every morning. She gave water to everyone. It was drunk by children, travelers, and neighbors alike. No one was ever turned away. Then the drought came. The rain stopped. The land cracked. Fear entered people's hearts. The villagers changed. They were suspicious and cruel. Even her own family was whispering against her. They maintained that the well should be that of younger men. One night, stones were laid on the well. Its mouth was blocked with heavy stones. The village chief came the next morning. He stood before the woman. "You are old," he said. "You waste water. You can no longer take out of the well." The woman did not argue. She did not shout. She did not beg. She went inside her house. She took her clay pot. She threw her shawl, the old one, over her. Then she walked away. She left the village quietly. She moved towards the hills that were desolate. No one followed her. This is what the villagers were unaware of. The woman knew the land. She watched birds. She studied the earth. Early in the morning, she trailed after the birds. There was a secret spring between rocks. Clear water flowed there. She constructed a little house very patiently. She lived simply. She dispensed water to good passers-by, with no one but with those who exhibited respect. Gradually, her location was recognized. Caravans stopped there. Tired people rested there. Peace lived there. Years passed. The old well had given way back in the village. It dried up. There was no water left. The inhabitants of the village were desperate. They followed the old paths. At last, they found the woman. She did not blame them. She did not raise her voice. She spoke calmly. "Water flows," she said. "Where respect lives." She allowed them to drink. But it was never their spring. When the woman died, the spring remained. It belonged to gentle people, but to the walkers who were humbled of heart. Because sometimes, walking away from injustice leads to hidden blessings. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.